Wondering how to grow your email list, how to get people to sign up to the email list for your natural hair care business, then this is the video for you. Let's get into it. Imagine you were making money by just a click of a button by sending an email to your audience. I'm gonna show you how to grow a list. My name is Xandria, and on this channel I talk about email marketing tips for natural hair care business, and I talk about self-acceptance and partnership with God. Let's get into it, what you came here for. First thing you want to do is make sure that you're offering something that somebody is going to want from you. Make this the offer that I'll give my name, my last name, my email address, and my address to you to get this free information from you. And what that can be is 10-step guide of how to do a silk press. You want to create an offer that somebody wants from you. So as a natural hair care business, if you are a hairstylist, you might want to create an offer on how to do a silk press at home, how products to use for a silk press to last all week. If you're a braider, you can say how to make your braids last longer, or if you are a product, what products to use for your hair type, how to grow your hair. I feel like everybody wants to know how to get their hair to grow longer. But if you are struggling on what kind of offer to create, or a lead magnet is what they call it, you can do video tutorials, a little 5-minute video of you just talking. It doesn't have to be spectacular. You can talk, you can do a checklist, you can do a discount code, a 10% discount code, or something that's gonna make them be like just throwing their information at you. So you can continue to nurture them through the emails that you are going to be sending them to market your business. What products you need to make the products you use. If you are struggling on what kind of lead magnet to create or offer to create, I would suggest do a 10% off coupon, or even look back at the most common questions that you get and make a free ebook for them, or talk about it in a video and give them that information. You want to make them an offer that they cannot refuse. I'm going to show you some examples on the back of my screen. I'm going to put it somewhere. I'm going to just show y'all these websites for example of how simple it can be and easy it can be for you. I'm going to go to tutus and tennis shoes. If you look at their website, as soon as you go to it, it's talking about give me a free shopping list. And on this website, tutus and tennis shoes targets non-black parents of black children that are learning how to care for their hair. They offer online course teaching parents how to do that, and they also sell products, hair products. So if you go to this, she knows that her target audience is probably struggling with what type of products to use, how to start with black hair. They have this black baby, they don't know what to do with this beautiful black baby's hair. So she has a free shopping list for them to get started, and it says give me the list, and all they have to enter in is their email address. And what I love about this is that it's simple, it's at the beginning of the page, and people can get to it right away. So if you're struggling, a checklist is easy too to create. You can put 10 items on there, give a brief detail, and call it a day, add it to your website. Another website I want to go to is Pattern Beauty by Tracy Ellis Ross, her hair care line. So when you go to her website, here it goes, it pops up and she's offering, she says, unlock 10% off your order, plus stay up to date with new offers, new products, and more. And all she is asking for is an email address. So you can have that. This is a good example of a coupon offer, and all they have to do is give their email address. It's simple, straight to the point. It pops up on their website. Another website to look at is Ming Lee Snob Life. If you go to her website, it automatically pops up. She has a picture of SZA, something that's going to catch her viewers' attention. And she also says, get on the list. If you subscribe today, you get 10% off your next order. I know it sounds so simple and like, okay, this is it. But even if you can't come up with a freebie and you have products, you can always offer a 10% off coupon. Because let me tell you how many times I've signed up for an email list just to get a 10% off coupon. A lot of times my friends do it too, and I know a whole bunch of other people who do it too. And maybe they will unsubscribe later, but majority of the time I don't. And that's a whole nother video. And the next one, I just have one more example, is Taraji's Hairline, TPH by Taraji. You click her page, she doesn't have a pop-up just yet, but if you keep scrolling down her website, she has a call to action like, let's keep in touch, we'll send you promotion, hair tips, and TPH announcements. So I would sign up for this just to receive offers. So when you are creating the 10% off coupon or the pop-up, make sure you just have a benefit to why you want it to be a benefit. The key thing about creating or growing your email list with this lead magnet, our freebie, our $1 offer, this amazing offer to build your email list, you want to make sure that you are giving them something that they just like, I gotta have it. Making it easy for your target or ideal client to get this wonderful information that you're going to be providing to them for free. You want to make sure that you have at the most 4 spots, but I would start off mimicking brands that you admire. So I would just do first name, last name, and email address. Don't make it a drawn out like them filling out a form for, they're filling out an application for a job that they want to get. They just want to get their freebie and go. Because if you have a lot of information that you want to receive from them, it's going to be like, okay, I'm not going to fill this out for this free thing, and it's probably not even all that. So you want to make sure that you're making it as simple and easy as possible to find it. And when they do find it, it's easy for them to fill out and get. So you want to have a process set up to where it's on your website as a pop-up, or it's at the top of your page, the bottom of your page. If you are on social media, it's in your link in bio. I'll say it's Linktree or Snip Feed, for example, and it's right at the top. They cannot miss it. They click it, sign up for it, and they are on your email list. And I'm going to show you my Snip Feed. If you go to my Snip Feed, as you can see here, you can see that it's right at the top. Download my copy now. You click it. It's the ultimate for natural hairstylist brands and businesses. The ultimate guide to making money, to money-making emails. Right here, the ultimate guide to money-making emails. Step-by-step guide to writing emails that nurture your customers and drive sales. I only have 3 things that I need to fill out. Like I said, first name, last name, email address. Download my copy. It's that easy. They don't have to do too much. They don't have to go to another area, but just my link in bio. 2 clicks. The less amount of clicks they have to make, the better. Now that you have your lead magnet or whatever the freebie is, you have it on your website, your link in bio, you have it on Instagram, baby. Okay, now you can start promoting this offer to your audience. Tell people about it, put it on your social media. Say, hey, if you are struggling, for my example, if you want to make money in your email, then this is the ultimate guide for you. You need to download it now. It's free. It's a step-by-step guide. You have it in your email signature, share it on social media, share it on your IG stories, tell people about it on TikTok, and keep promoting and sharing this free knowledge, this free valuable knowledge, or this, they can save some money with this coupon offer, so that people know that you have this freebie, and you can continuously effortlessly build your email list. So you have it all set up now. You have your, the freebie you're going to offer. You have the form created. You have it on your website or in your link in bio. And now all you have to do is just promote it. Promote it, and people will sign up for your email list. They will download this offer because they need the answer, and you're providing them with that answer, or they want to save some money and try out your products. And while doing all of this, in the process of doing all of this, you are growing your email list. With that being said, just know that an email list is not built up fast, quick, in a hurry. It takes time. And just be encouraged to keep. With all of that being said, just know that building your email list is not going to happen overnight. It takes time, and you talking about it a lot, putting it everywhere, putting it in Facebook groups, making a post about it, sharing it to your stories, tweeting about it, making a blog on LinkedIn with the freebie attached, and just talking and talking and talking about it some more. So do not get discouraged if you're like, okay, I did what Xandria told me to do and nobody's signing up to my email list. Just keep promoting the email list. All you have to do is, just to recap, think about what your client is asking for. Think about what your ideal client is always asking you about. Make a freebie for that. Then I want you to create the form for that freebie for them to get it. Put it on your website, have it in your link in bio. The two email building platforms that I love are Flowdesk and Wix. I will have a discount code for you to use down below in the description. Then the next thing you're going to do, once you have your form and your website, you got your freebie together, you're just going to promote it, tell people about it so they can know that you are their solution and you are here. They can try it themselves and save a little bit of money too. Thank you for watching. And if you're wanting a little bit more guidance on how to build your email list or email marketing and make money through emails, I'll link my ebook down below. It's the ultimate guide to making money in emails, giving you step-by-step instructions about how to nurture your target audience and drive sales. So I'll link that below to download. It's free. All the knowledge is very detailed and it will help you a lot. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or something you would like for me to go more in detail about down below. What are you struggling with growing your email list or making sales in emails? And I will gladly, let's talk about it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.